जैसे कि अब हमने अलाउ नहीं करते हम लोग, देखो अभी 55 50 आई एम श्योर 54 आर देयर, ओनली वन इज मी ओनली, so only 54 55 are there. So what is the meaning of it and what that means? They are the people who knows everything about business communication, and they have so much good command over the communication. I'm sure it is not like that. But if the time is 10:10, they will join at 10:10. That is a bad habit. You should join 10. That is why that gap is given. That is why that gap is given. Yes, so you people can write your name now, that who all are going to speak on or deliver this speech on 26th of January. So I'll invite one by one. We'll take for 3-4 people maximum, because we have to study business communication as well. Okay, so I'm getting the names like तुषार जायसवाल, शिवानी कुंवर, अदिति, अनुराग गुप्ता। अनुराग, आप बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्टनेस दिखाते हो टेनिस के मामले में। और भी हैं बच्चे।
मैम कब दिखाए मैम? टाइमिंग्स पे करता हूँ मैं हमेशा।
हाँ, कल ही का मैम लगा रही थी, मैं दिखा दूंगी शीट, कभी आके कॉलेज चेक कर लेना। आई एम हैविंग द रिकॉर्ड्स।
ओके।
5 बार 6 बार। अच्छा, एक बार जब आप सबमिट कर देते हो तो दोबारा तिबारा चौथे बार जरूरत क्या होती है इतने बार? आई एम नॉट टेलिंग टू यू ओनली, इट इज विद एवरीवन। मतलब मेनी ऑफ द पीपल दे आर मार्किंग द अटेंडेंस मोर देन वंस।
मैम कंफर्म नहीं होता ना कि लगा दी नहीं लगा दी।
जब आपने सबमिट कर दिया ना और जब आ जाता है योर रिस्पॉन्स इज रिकॉर्डेड, तो उसके बाद यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट, है ना? उस पे आता है ना लिख के, योर रिस्पॉन्स इज रिकॉर्डेड और हैज बीन रिकॉर्डेड। Okay, fine. So let us start without wasting time. Rest of the people, you can mark your attendance, please. And today, after 10:15, I'm not going to count. So make sure you are marking well in time. Okay, so let us start with Tushar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, can I start?
Yes.
So, ma'am, good morning to all of you. Myself, Tushar, and I'm going to just giving my short speech on Republic Day. So, the entire nation is laced up to the celebrate the 71st Republic Day on January 26, 2020. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January as it is also the day that when India declared its independence, Purna Swaraj from the British in 1930. Republic Day is not just another Indian festival, it is a festival of joy shared between people belonging to every religion, caste, and creed. The entire country is decorated in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity and diversity is celebrated. It has a great importance in history as it tells us all about in each and every struggle of Indian fighters. It is known that India became independent on 15th August 1947, but it took a while to write and implement the Indian Constitution. Since then, we celebrate the 26th January as Republic Day. We also celebrate it to mark the first revolution against the British rule. So after that, when I talk about the activities takes place in Delhi at Rajnath, magnificent parades by Regiment of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and paramilitary forces mark, and there is also display. Indian defenses process is only with latest missiles, aircrafts, and weapon systems. And after that, I want to speak that there is also a drafting committee was appointed for the drafting of Parliament Constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. And after a lot of hard work, and Constitution was drafted. So January 26 was chosen as the day to declare India as a sovereign republic. And one more thing, the significance or say importance of January 26 is that on that day in 1929, the Indian National Congress made the well-known Declaration of Indian Dependence or say Purna Swaraj or as opposed to British rule. So, ma'am, that's all. Thank you. Hello, Seema, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So we can take the next name. Thank you so much, Tushar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So I think you spoke some year, that is 1930. What do you say? Hello.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear, ma'am.
What you said in 1930? Some year you said 1930 or something like that. What you
No, no,
said?
ma'am. No, no, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I have said that we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January, as it is also the day when India declared its independence, Purna Swaraj, from the British in 1930.
1930 is the year when India got independence,
Ma'am, 1947.
and when it declared the Swaraj, 1930. Are you
Yes,
sure?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
please
I am
check it
sure.
out. But
Okay,
we
ma'am.
celebrate 26th January
Yes, ma'am.
when we, form our own constitutions. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar,
Okay,
he,
ma'am.
he is the person who is given this opportunity to write constitutions for India, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
on that day, 26th January 1950, 1950, on that day he declares that, and that was constitution was published. So
Yes, ma'am.
on that day we celebrate as our Republic Day, that we have now our own rule for our own people, like that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
So
ma'am.
please check what you are saying. 1930 declared Swaraj. Swaraj, if you are saying in terms of Republic Day, then it is 1950.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. I've checked, ma'am.
हाँ,
Okay.
उसकी कुछ
please check.
इम्पोर्टेंस थी इसलिए मैम, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
हाँ,
तो 26 नवंबर 1949 को बन गया था, पर फिर भी
हाँ,
उन्होंने
पर वो
वेट किया
पब्लिश किया
जिससे
गया।
कि
हाँ, उस डेट को डिक्लेयर किया गया कि नाउ वी आर हैविंग आवर ओन रूल्स, आवर ओन
मैम
रेगुलेशंस, आवर ओन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
मैम
तो यस यस प्लीज।
मैम 26 जनवरी इसलिए सिलेक्ट हुआ क्योंकि उस दिन पूर्ण स्वराज हुआ था 1930 में, रेवोल्यूशन अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स।
Okay. So why we are celebrating 26 January 26 January, why we are celebrating for 1930 you are saying?
यस मैम,
मैम
यस मैम।
मैम पर
पूर्ण स्वराज वाज
पूर्ण स्वराज कैसे मिल गया जब आप 1947 में
नो
फ्रीडम
नो
लिया?
मैम, दे रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स।
तो अगर उतना पीछे जाओगे तो that will come the year 1857.
Okay, ma'am. Don't confuse, ma'am. Ma'am, checked, ma'am. Okay.
हाँ, please. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Even may be possible that I am
Yes,
not
ma'am.
having the exact information. It's not like that you are wrong. I'm not saying you are wrong. I
No, no,
just said
ma'am.
that you please check it out. Okay. Even I
Okay.
will go through with the things because 26th January is there. At least this is the time when we can devote some hours to
Yes,
become aware about our history, and we
sure,
must
ma'am.
know everyone. So even yes, Aditi. Just a moment. When I'm talking, when I'm saying something, now learn this that you don't interrupt. Okay, anybody, it's not you only, anybody. And when you are talking, even I don't say anything, right? Practice, learn this. These are the etiquettes actually, and these all come under this communication things where we have to learn. ये कोई अलग से नहीं पढ़ाएगा और आपको बताएगा कि बेटा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो, है ना? So okay, fine. We will even I
Okay,
will
ma'am. For giving this opportunity,
work.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tushar. And next I'm going to call Shivani Kaur.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of us are gathered here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country. This event is very wonderful and praising event for each one of us. In this eventful day, we should pray to God to enhance our country and welcome each and every one of us. On 26 January, we observe Republic Day because the Constitution of India came to force on this day. We, the people of India, constantly praise the Republic Day of India from 1950. India is very democratic and just nation where each citizen is allowed to approve to choose the leader who will lead the nation. Although there have been many improvements till now, few deteriorations have also come with it, such as unemployment, lack of literates, pollution, poverty, and so on. All we can do is promise today to solve this type of issues together as people of this nation to make this country one of the best nation in the world. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So now the next one is Aditi. Please share your views.
Yeah, ma'am, sure. First of all, good morning, one and all present here. I am Aditi Tiwari, your fellow mate, going to represent some of my thoughts on Republic Day. So, in couple of days, India is going to celebrate its 72th Republic Day. Republic Day symbolizes the right spirit of independent India. The important symbols of the festival includes the exhibition of military equipments, national flag, folk dance, instrument plays, and other forms of entertainment. And talking about the significance of Republic Day, after gaining independence from British rule, the new constitution was drafted by drafting committee held by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Indian constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950, which affirmed India's existence as an independent republic. January 26th was chosen as the date because on this date in 1930, the Indian National Congress proclaimed Purna Swaraj, the declaration of India independence from the colonial rule. To put in the layman terms, this was the day we started to govern ourselves by our own rules. In the last, I would like to conclude that Republic Day is a gadgeted holiday in the India and it is celebrated on 26th January every year to honor the establishment of Indian Constitution. The Constitution was adopted by Indian Constituency Assembly on 26th November 1949 and came into the force on 26th January 1950 with the democratic system. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Okay. So the next I'm going to call Anurag Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Good morning to one and all. Today, I, Anurag Gupta, will now be speaking on Republic Day of India, which is celebrated on 26th January, and this is the 72nd celebration of Republic Day. Ma'am, I will not be I will not be speaking on the facts that already have spoken. So I will be starting from the main celebration that is held on Republic Day.
Okay,
The,
go ahead.
the main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parade take place at the Rajnath, which are performed Rajpath, which are performed as the tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich culture heritage. Commencing from the gate of Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President's residence, Raisana Hill on Rajpath past the India Gate. This event is the main attraction of India's Republic Day celebration and lasts for 3 days. The parade showcases India's defense capability, culture, and social heritage. 9 to 12 different regiments of the Indian Army, in addition to the Navy, Air Force, and their bands, march past in all their official decoration. The President of India, who is Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army Force, takes the salute. 12 contingents of various paramilitary forces of India and police forces also take part in this parade. The beating retreat ceremony is held after the official denoting the end of the Republic Day festives. It is conducted on evening of 29 January, the third day of the Republic Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anurag. And I really like the way, you people have given your name that I would like to speak on this. That I just started from Tushar, so Venu has already given her name before that, and I did not call her. So she again sent her name that yes, I would like to speak. So really appreciate it once, twice, thrice, even Anurag has sent again. So that shows that how much you people are interested to talk on. So really appreciate it. Keep it up. So next, Mukul Gupta.
Good morning to respected teacher and all my dear friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today I am here to give a speech on Republic Day. All of us are gathered here to celebrate the 22nd Republic Day of our country. This event is a very wonderful and praising event for each one of us. This will be the first time in over 5 decades that the Republic Day in our Republic Day celebration would not have a foreign dignitary as the chief guest. British PM Boris Johnson as chief guest at the Republic Day parade, and the invitation was accepted, but later it was cancelled due to the COVID-19 context prevailing in the UK. In this eventful day, we should pray to God to enhance our country and welcome everyone of us. We observe Republic Day on 26 January because the Constitution of India came to force on this day in 1950. This day is celebrated all over India with a lot of enthusiasm. In Delhi, magnificent parades are organized by regiments of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and paramilitary forces at Rajpath. All the states of India showcase their culture uniqueness by building beautiful tabulas during the parade. There are air shows by Air Force and much more to com- comment- commemorate this day. Republic Day reminds us of our struggle, how the Indian National Congress, with the help of youth, achieved its demand of Poon Swaraj. The struggle for freedom was based on some high principles and ideas such as non-violence, cooperation, non-discrimination, etc. For this reason, Republic Day is celebrated by all the Indians with great zeal and grandeur. It also reminds us to the scared, val- values and enshrined in the Constitution of India. It is a day of national pride. Display of great military on the Republic Day parade reminds us that the security of our territorial sovereignty is the outcome of many sacrifices. Once again, thanks to all for giving me this great opportunity.
Thank you so much, Mukul, for your speech. Now I would like to call Venu Kapoor. Venu,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Ma'am, I'm skipping the intro because I've written it according to the Republic Day, so I'm starting with the speech.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Republic Day, also known as Gantantra Divas, is celebrated on 26 January every year in India. And the reason behind this is that on this day, 1950, a constitution came into effect. However, it was adopted on 26th of November 1949 under the chairmanship of our beloved Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and we all know him as the father of Indian Constitution. He is one of the greatest leaders of modern India. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance of this day when we grow up. Talking about a constitution, our constitution gives us various rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights. In society, we have different caste, religion, or many other things that separate us on a broader picture. But we all are Indians. India is a land which is a great example of unity in diversity. The beauty of our country is that, despite having so many differences, we all stand as a united force. For almost everyone, this is the day we get up to watch the Republic Day parade. The military parade that starts from Vijay Chowk and culminates at the Red Fort in the national capital, that is Delhi. The weapons and the equipments that the army shows in the parade reflects the power of our armed forces. On this day, the award and medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and to the civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery awards are the young kids who are awarded by the Prime Minister for showing ultimate bravery besides being young who have saved the lives of other people. When the helicopters of the armed forces fly past the parade area and shower the rose petals on the audience, everyone feels special. The program ends with the national anthem. Whether you are at home or watching the parade personally, you get up to give respect to the national anthem. It's a day that makes us think beyond caste, creed, religion, state, language, color, and etc. And we all feel the same emotion of loving our country. It's a day when you can hear patriotic songs every nook and corner of every street, and everyone celebrates this day with brotherhood and distributing sweets. So I would like to conclude by requesting you all to take a pledge that we all will maintain peace and harmony and must remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters so that we can value the freedom which we got just because of their sacrifices. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, Venu. Thank you so much. So Next, Srishti Negi. And here I would like to say that others who are just listening, be ready with your, listen carefully because I'm going to ask you questions on these things. So you have to answer, and the answer should come from the people who are listening, those who are not speaking here, right? So please be ready and listen carefully to each one of them. Okay, so Srishti Neki,
Good
over to
morning,
you.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
On the eve of our 72nd Republic Day, I extend my warm greetings to all of you present here. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950 with a democratic government system, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. 26 Jan was chosen as the date for Republic Day because it was on this day in 1929 when the Declaration of Indian Independence was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress as opposed to the Dominion status offered by British regime. On the eve of the Republic Day, the President of India distributes Padma Awards to the civilians of India every year. These are the second highest civilian awards in India after Bharat Ratna Award. These awards are given in three categories, that is Padma Vibhushan for exceptional and distinguished services. It is second highest civilian award in India. Then second one is Padma Bhushan for distinguished services of a high order. It is the third highest civilian award in India. And the last one is Padma Shri for distinguished services, and it is the fourth highest civilian award in India. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. I am proud to be a citizen of India, which ensures the fundamental rights of every citizen, such as right to equality, freedom, religion, culture, education, privacy, etc. On this auspicious occasion, let's bow our heads before the memories of India's freedom fighters and great leaders. I would like to wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for those great souls. This is an occasion to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity, and equality among all, all our citizens. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you all. Jai Hind. Ma'am.
Yes, actually, I was honoring your own words. You said that I wanted to keep silence for some time. So I thought that at least we should keep silence for 30 seconds to 1 minute at least. Okay, fine, we will do later on. And now I would like to invite the next one is Ankita. Ankita? Ankita, are you there? Okay, she's not there. So, okay, she's unable to speak, I believe. Okay, so the next one is Samriddhi.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to
Good
all.
morning.
Today I'm going to speak about 26 January, Republic Day. Today we all are here to celebrate 72th Republic Day of our nation. This is the great and auspicious occasion of all of us, we should greet and each other pray to God to develop and prosperity of the nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26 January as the Constitution of India came into the force at this day. We regularly celebrate 26th Republic Day in India since 1950, and this is was the great aspect for celebrating. India is democratic country where public is authorized to elect the leader to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India since we got independence from the British in 1947. Our India was developed a lot. Among the power country together, we some developments and some throwbacks are also arised as such inequality, poverty, uh, that unemployment and illiteracy and etc. We need to take a pledge today to solve such problems for the further generations to make our country for the best at the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Samriddhi. So the next is Ritik Kumar Singh.
Good morning, all of you. I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes.
I would like to give a speech on Republic Day. 26th January is the day on which every Indian heart fills up with a patriotic fervor and immense love for motherland. These are many significant memories, as it was this day when the Indian tricolor was first unfurled in January 1930 at Lahore by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the declaration of an independence when National Congress was made. 26th January 1950 was the day when the India Republic and its constitution come into force. It was this day in history in 1965 when Hindi was declared as the official language of India. Republic Day is celebrated every year with the much uh, enthusiasm all over the country. And to mark the importance of this auction, a grand parade is held in the capital, Delhi, from the Raisna Hall near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Uh, Along the Rajpath past India Gate and on the historic Red Fort. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you. It's good to hear that you have taken up, the things which have not been spoken by anybody. That is good. Okay, so the next one is Riya Singh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
India is soon going to celebrate its 72 Republic Day on 26 January 2021. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950, with a democratic government system completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. The draft constitution was prepared by the committee and submitted to the Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1947. The assembly met in sessions open to public for 166 days, spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days before adopting the constitution. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich culture heritage. However, school celebrates the day with patriotic zeal, with students and teachers organizing programs and performances to mark the day. In India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of caste, creed, religion, beams with joy. On this day, the entire country is laced in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Done? Okay. Thank you, Riya Singh. So the next one is Ritika Thakur. Ritika Thakur.
A very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm going to give speech on Republic Day. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26 annually with a lot of pride and fervor. It is a day that is important to every Indian citizen. It marks the day when India became a truly independent and embraced democracy. In other words, it celebrates the day on which our constitution came into effect. On 26 January 1950, almost 3 years post independence, we become a sovereign, secular, socialist, and democratic republic. While we got independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, our country was still lacking a concrete constitution. Moreover, India also didn't have any experts and political power which would help in the functioning of the state affairs smoothly. Up until then, the 1935 Government of India Act was basically modified in order to govern. However, the act was more bent towards the colonial rule. Therefore, there was a dire need to form an exclusive constitution that would reflect all that India stands for. No matter the challenges and hardship, our constitutional committee left no stone unturned to include rights for all. It aimed to create the perfect balance so all citizens of the country could enjoy equal rights pertaining to their religion, culture, caste, sex, creed, and more. At last, they presented the official Indian constitution to the country on January 26, 1950. India celebrates January 26 each year with lot of enthusiasm and zeal. On this day, people forget their religion, caste, creed. It brings together the country as a whole. It truly shows the diversity of our country. The capital city of India, New Delhi, celebrate it with a Republic Day parade that showcases the might of India military and the cultural diversity of our country. These parades take place in other cities as well. Whereas lot of schools participate in, it is a delight to watch the children and professional put in so much effort. The way they grace the parade make them proud of their country. We also do national flag hosting on this day in New Delhi after the President of India hosts our national flag. 21 gun salute follow it with the national anthem led by military band. Moreover, it is a day to celebrate the spirit of freedom and make sure to help India reach greater height in the future. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ritika. So, okay, wait, I'm calling Riya Jan. Are you there, Riya Jan?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day in advance. It is an important day for all the Indians. Today, when a few fellow Indians talk about the fear of losing basic rights that the Constitution has given us, this day becomes more important. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance of this day when we grow up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day in the year 1950, Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us a
gives us a various rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights. In society, we have a different caste, religion, or many other things that separate us, but on a border, on a broader picture, we all are Indians. India is a land which is a great example of unity and diversity. The beauty of our country is that we have a different language and we also have conflicts and differences, but on national festivals, we all stand as a united force. On this day, the award and the medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and to the civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery awards is the young kids who are awarded by the Prime Minister for showing ultimate bravery besides being young who have saved the lives of other people. When the helicopters of the armed forces fly past the parade area and shower the rose petals on the audience, everyone feels very special. The program ends with a national anthem. Whether you are at home or watching the parade personally, you get to give the respect to the national anthem. It is a day that makes us think beyond the caste, creed, religion, state, language, and color, and we all feel the same. And we all feel the same emotion of loving our country. Thank you.
Thank you, Riyajan. So next I'm going to invite Aditya Gupta. Please share your views on 26th January Republic Day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I would like to present some of the unknown facts about Republic Day.
That's great. Go ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, the first Republic Day parade was at Rajpath was held in 1955. And a Christian song, "Abide with Me," is played at Republic Day parade, which is believed to be one of the Mahatma Gandhi's favorite songs. And the Indian Constitution is the longest in the world. It has a total of 448 articles, which is longest in the world, and it was the first from India to be the longest, and it is written in English and Hindi both. Drafting the constitution was a very difficult task for B.R. Ambedkar, sir. It took around 2 years and 11 months to draft the constitution. And our leaders took the best aspect from the other countries' constitution. The concept of liberty, equality, and fraternity came from the French constitution, while the 5-year plans came from the USSR constitution. Some of the facts were from the other countries and some of were self-made by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for the Indian constitution. And before the constitution came into force, India followed British government's Government of India Act 1935. And a majority of national awards such as Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan and Kirti Chakra are awarded during the National Day Republic ceremony only. Yes, ma'am, that's all for the unknown facts, and the rest everyone knows.
Okay, thank you, Aditya.
Thank you.
So the next is Riya Tyagi. Actually, I was thinking of to stop, but names are coming, so I'm just taking those names. Few names more. Yes, Riya.
So, first of all, a very pleasant morning to you, ma'am, and to all my batchmates.
Yeah.
So today I'm going to deliver my speech on the topic Republic Day, and I would like to start my speech on reciting few poetic lines for the sacrifices made by our soldiers. So, I'm reciting it. जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई नहीं होता. नोटों में लिपट कर सोने में सिमट कर मारे हैं कई, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता. So, as we all know that it is an
बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसा स्पीच होना चाहिए. तुम लोग सीधा पढ़ रहे थे. कुछ होना चाहिए इस तरह के slogans और lines. That's really good, Priya. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, as we all know, it is an important day for all the Indians. Today, when a few fellow Indians talk about the fear of losing basic rights that the Constitution has given us, this day becomes more important. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understood the real importance of this day when we grow up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year. On this day in the year 1950, Constitution of India came into effect. Our constitution gives us our various rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights. In society, we have different caste, religion, or many other things that separate us, but on a broader picture, we all are Indians, and India is a land which is great example of unity in diversity. On this day, the award and medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and to the civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery awards is the young kids who are awarded by the Prime Minister for showing ultimate bravery besides being young who have saved the lives of other people. So let's take a pledge that we all will maintain peace and harmony and must remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters so that we can value the freedom which we got just because of their sacrifices. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to say that patriotism is just like charity and it must begins at home. And at last but not the least, I would like to say, नहीं सिर्फ जश्न मनाना, नहीं सिर्फ झंडे लहराना, ये काफी नहीं है वतन पर, यादों को नहीं भुलाना, जो कुर्बान हुए उनके लफ्जों को आगे बढ़ाना. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Riya, for a wonderful speech. The facts and figures are right, but when you put your, own words, something, some slogans, some, shairi kind of thing, so that, makes the speech better. So we should follow it, That's really great, Riya. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Everyone
ma'am.
has
Actually,
spoken very well. It is not like only Riya has spoken well. So everyone has done a wonderful thing, wonderful speech they have delivered. But the way she has presented, that is very good. Thank you so much, Riya. You were saying something?
yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, my dad is in army, so that's why it is
Oh
not
my
just in his
God.
photo.
Salute to him as well. Great. So now I would like to invite Ankita. Ankita, are you there? Can you speak now? Time is about to up. Please hurry up so that I can include each one of you, those who have given the names. Yes, Kapesh. And really good to see so many, chats and people are appreciating their colleagues. Very good. What happened, Ankita? Again, you are not there? Okay, so the next name is Akshat. Akshat is also not there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I am audible?
Now you are audible. What you said, I am audible, so that is audible only. Please speak little more so we can understand. Your voice is not clear, Akshat. Okay, you do one thing. Meanwhile, you log off and log in again. Meanwhile, I'm going to see the other names.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Ankita was only left and she is again not there. And she has said that yes, I am ready now. Ankita, are you there? Somebody can check, please. She is not there, I believe. Okay. Okay, fine enough. So meanwhile, he is joining. Akshat, we should take the quiz. Otherwise, this session will go like this only, that you are not remembering anything. We had just a speech on this day, 26th of January. So let us have some questions, and what you have to do, I will write the question in chat, and I will speak, and you have to answer the question in the chat box. And the first person who will write it, or you can unmute and say, but before that you write your name here in this chat box so that I can, ask you to unmute. Okay. Okay. So let us start the quiz. Fine. So, who was the president on First Republic Day? You can write your name. Who is going to answer? Yes. So those who have not spoken, those who have not given the speech, they are supposed to write that. I am not, Vandana, thank you so much for giving this answer. But Srishti, again, you have already spoken, so you should not do that. I hope it is clear that I said in the beginning itself that those who are not going to give this speech, they are supposed to answer the quiz. Okay? Answer the questions I am asking. So make sure the people who have already spoken.
मैम पर आपने हाथ नाम लिखने को बोला था, सीधा आंसर लिखने को नहीं बोला था.
That is what instructions are not being followed. So Vandana and other people, you don't have to write your answer here. You have to write your name, and out of those, I will invite the person to speak. And that is how quiz is going on. It's not like anybody can write or anybody can speak anytime. Okay? Please learn it. How quiz is taking place, how to participate in that. ये सब चीजें ना हम सिखाएंगे आपको धीरे धीरे. Okay, fine. So I hope rule is clear. So we have still almost 10 minutes. So it's gone already. Fine. So when was the first Republic Day celebrated? Please write your name who is going to answer. When the first Republic Day was celebrated? Okay, so I'm going to invite Subhanshu Garg. Subhanshu, you can unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am. I'm on 26 January 1950.
नहीं समझ आया. 26 January
1950.
अच्छा, इतना टाइम मत लगाओ. Thank you so much. A clap for him. We can unmute and clap for the right answer. Yes, students, you can unmute and clap. Yes. Then you will be like the virtual class. Offline mode, That's great. Thank you. So now everyone please mute. Okay, so the next question is, who is the father of Indian Constitution? Who is the father of Indian Constitution? So you have to again write your name, who is going to answer. Okay, so Isha Arora, you can unmute and speak. I have never, listened to you. Your voice, I don't.
B.R. Ambedkar.
That's great. Again, a round of clap for her. Please. Thank you so much. So the next question is, okay, who was the first president अच्छा इसका तो आंसर आप लोग दे चुके हो. Sorry, that question was already invalid. Fine. Okay. Let me see some good questions for you. Who takes the salute on Republic Day at Rajpath in New Delhi? I'm repeating the question. Who takes the salute on Republic Day at Rajpath in New Delhi? Okay, so names are coming here, I believe. So you have to say the designation you have to speak. Who is there? Okay, so Harshil Mittal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Force salutes on Republic Day.
कौन करता है 26 जनवरी को?
Ma'am, the
प्रेसिडेंट
commander.
होता है ना बेटा,
What, ma'am?
प्रेसिडेंट होता है ना,
Yes, ma'am.
तो प्रेसिडेंट बोलना था ना, प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं जो रिपब्लिक डे पे जो है सैल्यूट करते हैं ना, नहीं जो इंडिपेंडेंस डे होता है उस पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर करते हैं, राइट? ओके फाइन, नो इश्यूज, लर्न इट. Who unfurls Indian flag in the state capitals on Republic Day? Similar kind of question it is. Who unfurls Indian flag in the state capital on Republic Day? Please write your names. Okay, so Karan Verma. Karan, unmute yourself and speak.
मैम सबसे पहले बी आर अम्बेडकर ने करा था 1915 में.
ये क्वेश्चन था क्या? Please listen carefully. What I asked, who unfurls the flag, Indian flag in the
थोड़ा सा ना यहाँ पे वो हो रहा है नेट प्रॉब्लम, कट कट के आ रही है आवाज.
स्टेट कैपिटल में जैसे दिल्ली में होता है तो स्टेट कैपिटल में कौन झंडा फहराता है? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो ओके, आनंद कुमार सिंह, प्लीज टेल मी.
मैम चीफ मिनिस्टर. यस मैम.
सी, दो चीजों को समझने की कोशिश करो. आंसर इज रॉन्ग, बट मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा समझाना भी चाह रही थी. कई बार आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन भी आता है इस तरीके का कि जो स्टेटस प्रेसिडेंट का होता है कंट्री के लिए, सेम स्टेटस जो है स्टेट में होता है गवर्नर का. ठीक है, गवर्नर सुना होगा ना आपने. अपने दिल्ली का गवर्नर कौन है? कैन यू आंसर? दोज हू बिलोंग टू दिल्ली. Okay, answer is not coming. You can write here in the chat box. Ramnath. Oh my God. He is president ना और governor. Please यार थोड़े से जीके पे काम
अनिल
करो.
बैजल. अनिल बैजल.
अनिल बैजल.
लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर.
लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर अनिल बैजल है? नहीं, नाम कुछ और है शायद, I believe.
नहीं मैम,
I also have to check.
जैसे मैम आपकी बात में समझ
Many
नहीं
are
आ रहा है.
writing Anil Badal. Maybe I'm not sure. I'll have to check the name. Everyone is writing that, so maybe he is the governor. I'm taking this answer. Okay, fine. That's good. But see, यहाँ पे मैं क्या आपको बताना चाह रही थी, समझाना चाह रही थी कि जो स्टेटस प्रेसिडेंट का कंट्री के लिए होता है, सिमिलर स्टेटस स्टेट में गवर्नर का होता है. तो अगर कंट्री में दिल्ली कैपिटल है हमारा, तो कैपिटल में अगर अनफॉल करते हैं फ्लैग को प्रेसिडेंट, तो स्टेट में कौन करेगा? प्रेसिडेंट की जगह पे कौन है? वहां पे स्टेट में गवर्नर होता है. सिमिलरली जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है कंट्री के लिए, वैसे ही चीफ मिनिस्टर होते हैं स्टेट्स में. तो जब वो इंडिपेंडेंस डे होता है तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर करते हैं दिल्ली में और चीफ मिनिस्टर करेंगे स्टेट में. और जब जो है रिपब्लिक डे होगा तो प्रेसिडेंट करेंगे दिल्ली में और स्टेट में गवर्नर करेगा. ठीक है ना? तो दैट इज हाउ दिस सिस्टम इज. तो कई बार इन लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस में इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि अगर ये चीज ऐसे कर रहा है तो कौन है. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने बहुत बार देखा है एग्जाम में. तो इट्स ओके. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द easiest question which you can answer at least.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, before you move on to the next question, I want to say something.
Yes.
Ma'am, Republic Day celebration is incomplete without national anthem. So, can I just request everyone to unmute their self and just stand up on their places wherever they are and sing national anthem?
Yes. So please, everyone, stand up at your place wherever you are and sing this national anthem.
Ma'am, even they can unmute if you have permission. They can
that will, that will create noise. So this is your, proposal, Shivani. So you sing it, and others, everyone, including me, we are going to stand, right?
Okay. So everyone, please stand up at their places. So can I start? Ma'am, shall I start?
I believe, Shivani, you are going to sing this national anthem. I am not getting any voice.
Yes,
So please
ma'am.
start.
Okay.
We are standing already.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड
Shivani, can you tell us? I am not getting your voice.
Ma'am,
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am
Somebody
I?
either write, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She is audible.
Am I audible?
So I think we are not getting voice of Shivani. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Are
sing
you
out.
getting the voice of Shivani? I am not getting it.
Ma'am, we are getting.
We are getting.
We can hear Shivani.
Okay, ma'am. I'll sing loudly. Okay, so ma'am, I'm starting it.
Both are audible. I am not getting voice.
Ma'am, I'm starting it. Ma'am, am I audible? Excuse me, ma'am. मैम शायद आपको नहीं आ रही बस मैम shall I start?
Hello. It's done, Shivani. I actually could not hear.
मैम मैम राइट
मेरे को अब कोई और बोलना प्लीज अनम्यूट करके अभी तक तो आवाज आ रही थी
यस मैम आवाज आ रही है
Yes, ma'am.
Audible, ma'am. Audible.
Getting voice.
Audible, ma'am.
आ रही है मैम।
मेरी आवाज आ रही है कोई
Yes,
कोई
ma'am. आ रही है आपकी
Yes,
आवाज।
ma'am.
मैम आ रही है।
आ रही है मैम।
मैम मुझे भी आ रही है आपकी आवाज
Okay, fine. You may join the next class. Thank you so much. Because I'm not getting anything. I don't know what is the problem. Technical fault. Thank you so much. We will meet again on Monday. Good luck.
मैम आधे में रुकवा दिया।
मैम चली गई।
बेचारी को जाने नहीं दिया।
मैम आधे में नहीं रुकवाना चाहिए।
आवाज नहीं आ रही थी क्या
तू गा रहा हम सुन
पूरा तो कर देती।
आ रही थी आवाज तो।
हम सबको आ रही है मैम को नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ मैम को नहीं आ रही थी सिर्फ।
अरे मैम ने दूसरी आईडी लॉग आउट कर दी।
अब कर दो।
अब कंप्लीट कर ले
हाँ कर लेते हैं कर ले
अब कर ले।
एक्शन
सारी गा लो
एक्शन
चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
चलो स्टार्ट करो
3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। वन मन
जय